guys, good afternoon. It's Monday and it's 1:44 p.m. I was literally like awake since 10 a.m. to be honest. I literally had like a meeting on Google with my new digital marketer, so been up for a while. I've been editing, figuring out everything with him. Yeah, it's been a very long day right now. Right now I'm also planning to do another video for you guys, for literally planning it for next week, and I'm also doing Vlogmas part 2 for Sundays. If you didn't know, Sundays at 12 p.m. would be my Vlogmas day. Vlogmas videos. You gonna be missing out. But right now I'm just looking up some stuff that he sent me with AdWords and what else, AdSense, and just figuring everything out, planning everything out. Also, probably at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, I also have another meeting with my Instagram social manager to figure everything out, my target audience, everything. I probably will do like a separate video letting you know what I use for like social media managers and digital marketers and everything, because I'm figuring out everything myself. Like I said, I never went to school for this. I get information and also interact with other digital marketers that know this and that can help me out. So basically that's what I'm doing right now, and it's a little bit more less stress than I am used to be, because I'm focusing more on making videos for you guys and planning different stuff, and also making music. Yes, I probably will make a song. Well, I'm in the works of writing a song for you guys, but that's for next year. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing some of this little work, and I need to charge my vlogging camera for today, because literally it's dying right now and I need it to be charged. But I'm gonna do my facial because my eczema right here is like acting crazy again. But we're gonna do that, and I'm probably gonna get some snacks because I'm starving. But I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I literally just finished the video. If you want to see this look, the video probably will be up on Tuesday, so you should go see my 24-hour glow up, because do you see? Like, I'm close up and look at how nice the makeup look is, and my skin has like been better. This needs to be a little bit more better. I'm still doing medicine for it because the weather and also my eczema, so, and also he is cracking, so just because my eczema. But yeah guys, this is the final look. If you want to see, the video is coming up on Tuesday, so stay tuned today. But I am going to start editing, or I probably am going to do another video. I'm not gonna take this makeup off yet. I probably am gonna do another video. If you guys want to know, because I have a lot of people on Instagram who literally was like, oh, how did you get your hair long? Your hair used to be on your shoulders, now it's like, I see that's longer. Yes, my hair has gotten very long, and it's mostly the things that I do differently, and I probably will do another video because I usually don't heat my hair anymore, and I stop dyeing my hair after like I did the bottom. I left it like this just because I kind of like it, but I am gonna dye it again with just the bottom part, and I'm gonna go back to black on top, which it looks black, but my hair is naturally dark brown, so, and the sun is literally brown. But I'm gonna go jet black on top again, and the color on the bottom I'm gonna put it a little bit more vibrant. So, but I don't dye my hair like I usually do. Like, I had different colors. If you have been on my channel, you probably have seen like a bunch of different colors on my head, like green to aquamarine to blue to purple to lavender to blonde to black and blonde to like red. I literally had all the freaking colors except for like neon orange, and well, I did have orange. Like, this color was orange. Now it's just like a pastel color. But I I'm gonna do a video, separate video, just letting you know what dyes that I use if I do want to dye my hair again, which I am. So yeah, just gonna do that, and I'm gonna take pictures for Instagram because we're not gonna have this makeup look go to waste at all. We're not. So yeah, I'll be right back with more stuff to do. Hey, so I literally just edited this whole entire video, and like literally I'm gonna show you what the hell like I had to go through with this video. Literally, look at that number, 2042, and I was trying not to get it to be that effing high, but it just, I don't know, I really don't understand how that can happen. But I like to talk shit, so I chop some of it off, some of it. But 20 minutes, literally 20 freaking minutes. But I don't know, I'm gonna take this makeup off because I already did some pictures for Instagram. And if you haven't checked them out, go to my Instagram. It's literally in the description below, or you could just go to RealJules__. We can become friends because I talk to everyone, I DM everyone, so you can do that. And we're literally hit 18,000 followers, which I'm just like, okay, my social media manager is doing their job. But yeah, I'm just gonna go I'm gonna download this video because tomorrow I'm gonna do another video because I like to do like pre-recorded videos, so I won't be like, oh my god, I missed videos for you guys, I'm sorry. And I can mostly pay attention to Vlogmas the weekly Vlogmas thing, and also plan like trips. This week, yeah, I thought I was gonna go out, but technically it's Sunday that we're gonna go shopping, and Sunday is when I post this video, so you're probably gonna get Christmas treats. I don't know, probably if I get out, I'll like go to 42nd Street and just like check out, because I know Bryant Park has like the Christmassy stuff out, so I want to see that because I do want to buy like a little mini tree just to set it up in my room, just to make it a little bit more Christmassy. I do have my lights, I've got the battery, so it's a little Christmassy, but I do want to get literally a little tiny ass Christmas tree with like Christmas lights just to put in my room to get it a little bit more Christmassy. And I should do this right now. I'm literally gonna put in my lights, which, give me a second, I'm gonna bring it right now. I'm trying to get my brother to get the freaking shit. There he is. Did you get it? Yeah. Oh, and you don't know where it is. Look, his little freaking lying ass. He's freaking lying. He said he didn't know where it is. But look at him bringing it. Freaking liar. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and right now it's 12:15, so I got home from work, and right now I'm going to go on my computer because I do have to do a couple of things. I did receive a PR package. Basically I'm gonna put this on Instagram and do a review on it, so watch out for that. And I did receive my ColourPop makeup, so I'm going to literally do a little holiday. I thought this was like a little bit bigger than that. Technically it's not, but I'm gonna do a holiday video makeup look literally with these, because I was excited to do this because I was inspired by something that I like literally saw. And I'm gonna do a photo shoot because I need photos for my Instagram to look presentable and stuff, and then finally make a decision on what Instagram social manager I want to officially just sign up to, because they're a little bit more helpful than me doing it myself, because I'm literally not getting enough sleep handling everything. But But yeah, have a lot of stuff to do today, so we're gonna do it. We're literally gonna do photo shoot, video, editing, and I don't even know what else. It was something else, but we're gonna do all that. And I feel like I'm missing something that I need to do. I feel so much like I'm missing something. I'm not sure what I'm missing. When I come back, I probably will tell you guys what I'm missing, because I feel like I'm missing something that I need to say to you guys. And closely. I remembered I have 2 meetings I have to do, like, on Google Hangout. 2 meetings with 2 other, because I am looking for a videographer. And yeah, so I have 2 meetings with 2 of them. And I feel like I have a meeting with my manager today around 7 or 8 o'clock today p.m. I'll probably text him to see if we do have a meeting today, so we'll tune into that. But yeah, I have to organize a lot of stuff. I feel like, no, I have to order stuff for like my room, because I'm still like, you guys already know that I've been redecorating my room so much. I even got this vanity table and everything, but I haven't finished in order for me to do a full-blown room tour. So I'm going to be finishing, like, I already scheduled everything. I always schedule everything, but I finished probably by February. So probably by February you get a updated room tour, because I'm always changing this shit. So yeah, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna do all of this and then we're gonna talk. It's literally 3 o'clock and I just did the makeup video, did a collaboration video that I'm gonna post on Instagram, but I'm waiting for the approval of it. I tried it. I'm blown away, so I'm gonna use this a lot now. And I'm freezing cold, I'm hungry, I'm about to go eat some food because bitch is starving. And after that I'm just gonna relax and edit videos and plan videos and just relax on my bed. Ooh. So this Christmas season we're probably gonna watch either the Polar Express, or I think they have Christmas Carol on Netflix. I'm not sure yet, but I just can't wait. I cannot wait to do this. Like, I really can't. But I'm hungry, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Boing! Okay guys, so I literally ate something, like, real quick. I'm gonna do this because this is like, don't want to be demonetized. So I submitted everything and she approved of it, the company approved of it, so it will be on my Instagram, so just go check it out. And right now all I am doing is this, and this video will be up by next week Saturday, so I have a lot of editing to do, like a lot, because I do a lot. But good thing is I'm almost done. I'm just gonna relax and then take a shower when I finish editing. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I probably won't even vlog tonight because I'm so exhausted, and after doing this I'm literally just going to go to bed. So I see you guys tomorrow, and I did everything in a good amount of time. It's only 4:13, but I know I'm gonna edit and it's gonna take hours because I love to break everything down. So I see you guys tomorrow, and it'll probably be a smoother day, so relax today, well, tomorrow. But yeah, I see you guys tomorrow. Boing. So I didn't vlog yesterday, and today's Friday, and it's literally 8:15. If you see my throat, like, if you hear me, you know I'm getting sick. Like, I'm legitimately getting sick, so I literally had to take a nap, but I'm still like that feeling of me getting sick. So I haven't done anything, like, literally I haven't done anything at all. I just been resting and I'm so fucking tired and literally just sick. So I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know, because I'm not gonna do anything tonight, just probably edit this vlog, and that's about it, because I'm getting sick and I don't want to get any more sick. So I'm trying just to rest, drink a lot of liquids and everything, and medicine, because I feel like shit. So yeah, I'm most definitely gonna end the vlog here because I am really sick and I have a fever, so that's nice of me. But yeah, I told you guys, like, these 2 weeks are literally just me doing everything from my house. Wow, why did I say like that? From my house. But I'm gonna be vlogging on Sunday because I'm going out Christmas shopping. Well, finishing some Christmas shopping stuff, and I want to know if, like, the tree is up. I want to show you guys the tree, and I want to see, like, the little show that they have. What is it? Literally, my camera died, so I had to charge it and stop editing a little bit. But I'm eating a sandwich because I'm really hungry. But I did take some medicine, so I'm, like, sleepy again because NyQuil knocks me the F out. I'm really not trying to be, like, the worst sick. Like, I'm sick, but it's, like, tolerable. I don't like being sick, horrible sick, that I'm dying sick. So NyQuil will be my friend for literally 3 days. So if I'm not on social media or anything, just know it's because I'm, like, getting NyQuil and I'm, like, sleeping my whole entire freaking sickness away. But I'm gonna end the video here because I am getting tired and I need to vlog. I mean, not vlog. I need to edit this vlog, and literally I need to just finish doing this. So I see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to, oh wait, guys, there's YouTube stories now. So I'll be posting YouTube stories. I've been answering you guys back because I love you guys. So just keep in watch for my YouTube stories, so I can you can ask me questions. I can literally just answer them in a video or something. But yeah, guys, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want, and I'll see you next Sunday on Vlogmas day 3, week 3. So yeah, see you guys.